All right, we're introducing the Chromaglow Pro 5-Home Starter Bundle. This is Big Star Lights' answer to the surging demand for permanent lighting. In this bundle, we have the product you're going to most likely consume for about 5 homes on average of about 125 feet in length. We're going to include 25 strings of the LED lights. We're going to include 3 of the outdoor controllers. We'll include 2 of the indoor version of it. And then of course, we're going to include 100 feet of each of the 3 types of power cable that we offer. We have the regular gray wire, which is the same wire that we use for our lights. And then we've got black and white versions of the XPLE wire, which is suitable for being exposed, even sitting on a rooftop for up to 20 years due to its UV resistance. If you need to affix this wire onto a shingle, for example, we're going to include some of these cable clips as well. Of course, in order to connect everything together, you're going to need these quick connectors, and we'll include 100 of these in the bundle as well. If you need to be running your lights in multiple directions, we'll be including 20 of these splitters. And if you have to run really long lengths of extension cable, we'll include 5 boosters as well, which help improve the signal if you go beyond 30 feet of extension cable. What's not included with the bundle are the tracks themselves. That's something that you want to order on a project by project basis so that you can get the exact track that you need for your project and even get it painted to match your project's trim color. However, what we will do with the bundle is include a free display case, which is an absolute must for showcasing this product to your customers and has been known to improve close rates by more than 30%. Additionally, we're going to include a single track of each style so that you can practice cutting the tracks, and we'll also throw in some templates that will make marking them up and cutting much faster. If you're thinking about getting into permanent lighting, the Chromaglow Pro 5-Home Bundle is a great way to get started.